So, when I was writing my second book, God is a River, so it was based on the partition of India and Pakistan. So I would often go to my grandfather who brought me up, and then I would tell him that जो बाजार थे लाहौर के, उनमें खुशबू क्या आती थी. And he would always tell me, पुत्र ये कौन सी बात है पूछने वाली, ये पूछो बाजार में हमारे अनार मिलते थे, कबाब मिलते थे, अफीम मिलती थी. I said, बाबूजी स्मेल कौन सी आती थी? Because that sensory tactile imagery of smell was not getting satisfied. I had to tell my readers that when Hamid was crossing the street, what did he smell?
The layers too, the
हाँ.
character
Then he
comes
said
with it.
बालूशाही की smell आती थी.
Oh.
And I said, okay, oil, मीठा, and then अगर oil और मीठा है तो there I have to be मक्खी buzzing somewhere. So he's clearing the, shooing away the flies as well as he's talking to the cloth merchant. ऐसे तो वो दुकानें कपड़ा मिलता था, because he wanted to buy an ओढ़नी for his wife. He said हाँ वो कपड़ा मिलता था, वो कपड़ों के वो जो होते थे बेल ऑफ फैब्रिक होता था, उसी पर चढ़कर थान पर बैठे होते थे. So all those things, they came into the settings. What was the smell like? So he said balushai. So I said, okay, balushai. Balushai means flies, right? That means you will also have, because so what would they have? What would you see around you? They did not have as many paper bags. Maybe a local newspaper to put something on, right? So what would they have? He said, हमको तो वो बड़े पत्तल में बालूशाही होती थी और वो सूतली thin rope, right? The thin thread. That is how they would sort of tie it with. So that means, what would you see in the garbage? You would see those pattals.
Wow.
So how do you bring alive the setting? How do you hold the hand of your reader and take you into that particular place?